Hey, Daud here. Situational questions on the PMP exam are hard, but I am going to show you a technique how to answer these questions correctly every single time. Now for this, I will use two sample questions. You need to watch both and follow my logic to see how my technique will get you to the right answer, so that you understand the technique well enough to practice and be ready to answer all the situational questions correctly on the exam. Start with always reading the question first, which is the last sentence in most cases. Here it says, "What should you do?" which can be read as, "What is the next step you should take? What is the first thing to do that has not been done according to the question?" Second, scan the choices so that you have an idea what you are to decide. Caution sponsor, wait for audit, create charter, keep going. See, I did not read through each choice completely. No need to waste time in that because you will be reading those soon to decide the best choice. I only scanned for the action verbs as the question statement was, "What should you do?" Third step, read the question and look for the key information, the crux of the question, the main point which will decide the best choice. So a quick skim through tells me you assigned, project manager, project half done, previous project manager resigned, you take over, review documents, no charter. So what is the key point here? One piece of information that will decide the correct answer. No project charter is the key information provided in this question. Whether project started or half done, you are the first project manager or replacing a previous project manager. What happened to the previous project manager? You reviewed documents or did not. The whole point of all this chit chat is that there is no project charter. Fourth step, what is the next logical thing to do considering the key point that there is no project charter? Do you caution the sponsor, wait for audit, keep going as if no issue, or write the charter? I think you know the answer. Write the charter. Project charter is the most important artifact because all the planning, executing, and monitoring and controlling that will happen is for the purpose of achieving the project objectives that were agreed to in the charter. It is kind of a contract between the project team and sponsor. Now fifth, look at the four choices again. The correct choice is to create the project charter right away. Cautioning the sponsor may seem like another good choice, but it is not. You got to have a charter. We already established that. So just telling the sponsor that we don't have a charter will not be valuable. So we've taken 5 steps. First, read the last sentence of the question to know what you have to find. Second, scan the answer for verbs or key points. Third, scan the question and decide the key point which will help you decide the best choice. Fourth, what is the right thing to do based on the key point? And fifth, now read the 4 choices and find the choice which is the right thing to do. Let's look at another question. First step, read the last sentence. The project manager should know, which means what is the next thing project manager should do? Second step, scan the answers. Close the project quickly. Present bad data in positive light. Eliminate bad data. Document lessons learned. Third step, scan the question and decide the key point. Finishing the project, cost, schedule overruns, quality defects, senior management interventions. The key is project is at the end, finishing. Whether there were problems or not, cost and schedule overruns or not, management involvement or not, does not really matter. Fourth step, what is the right thing to do when the project is finishing up? We document lessons learned and go through other administrative tasks and close the project. So fifth step, read the choices and decide which choice is the logical one. Here, document lessons learned and update the lesson learned register is the best choice. Eliminate bad data is unethical. Present bad data in positive light does not generate any value. Close project as quickly as possible does not mean skip documenting lessons learned. So lessons learned will be the best choice. So remember the 5 steps. 1. Read the last statement to know what is being asked. 2. Scan the answers. 3. Scan the question to find the key point. 4. Decide what is the logical thing to do based on the key point. And 5. Read the answer choices to find the best choice. Practice situational questions using this 5-step method. It will become your natural way of looking at situational questions. It will lead you to get the right answer every single time, assuming you know the concepts and process flow. Try the situational questions with this method and comment below what you find. Did it work for you? What do you find difficult about this 5-step method of answering situational questions? Thank you for watching.